Now, as for them lasting only 10 years, I was here a couple weeks ago, and this one, in this study, the light was off. And I thought, oh, okay, maybe the battery's low and it's telling me that the light's off, even though the other ones were still on. Well, I pressed the button to test it, and it tested out fine, and now the green light stays on the entire time. And I thought, okay, over the last 10 years, you know, they tell you after you install smoke alarms, you're supposed to test them once a year or so, just to make sure that they're working, that the batteries are working properly, that they're set and programmed properly, and all that kind of stuff. And that light was off. Now, because that light was off, I don't know when it went off. Maybe it went off within the last year. I haven't been really paying attention. If that light was off, and if there was a fire in here, would that smoke alarm have notified that the smoke was there? Would the alarm have come on? I don't know. I don't think it would have, because the light was off. Now, I don't know why the light was off. All I can think of is maybe some lint got up in there, some dust got up in there. It was by the front door. Ceiling fans on a little bit. The air conditioner could have went on. Something could have made that go off, and that's another reason why you should probably test those every year. I should probably make a note here in my house and my auntie's house. Same thing. I should look around and test those buttons every year or so. I just replaced all the ones at my auntie's. Same type of deal. 10 years ago, same ones. I went to my favorite hardware store, the Home Depot, and that's where I got these. I did the same thing at my auntie's a few days ago. She had 4 regular smoke alarms, and she had the smoke carbon monoxide alarm. So I replaced 4 and 1. Here is 5 and 1. Okay, and so that's what I'm going to do next. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Yeah, I'm out here for a while longer. It's nice and breezy out here today, and so I'm gonna start tearing some things out. The garbage guy's gonna come tomorrow. I still got plenty of room in the garbage can for a few more things. I might just tackle this this rose bush and get that out of there. Nice prickly thing, you know. And hey, I'll see you next time, and I'm sure I'll save you some more money.